Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix any sort of like ping issues, lag, less FPS, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is actually going to be in game, and what that is going to be, you can just simply lower your graphics settings because this always does help, especially with FPS issues. So I'll go over to settings and then over to display. From display, just turn everything down. You could turn stuff like super resolution stuff down to either performance or balanced. If you want strictly performance, if you strictly want like FPS, just high FPS, you don't really care about how the game looks that much, just go over to quality, just turn everything down to performance. You can also hit a FPS cap of whatever hertz your monitor is. And then what you can also do is definitely turn off VSync. And now you can go down to optimize settings. You could do optimize and it does like, I think what's best for your laptop or computer. But if you don't want to do that, you can just turn everything down to lower medium, especially stuff like shadow, texture, effects. Just turn all of that down to medium and low. And then once you do that, you guys should be good to go. You can X out. You can always try using a different resolution as well if you'd like, because that is one of like the biggest things that helps get more FPS as well. And once you're done with that, you can back out. Now, if you're having any FPS or ping issues, what you can do is restart your Wi-Fi router, and you can do that by unplugging the power cord from the router, waiting about 30 seconds to a minute, and then replugging it back in. And I highly recommend restarting your PC after as well. Now, another thing you guys can do is update your drivers as well on both NVIDIA and AMD. Now, because that can always help as well. And what you can also do is use an Ethernet cable instead of using a wireless connection, because an Ethernet cable always does help get you to zero ping. And it's one of the best ways to get to zero ping, if not the best. And yeah, and all this should be it for the video. That is how to, just overall get less ping, how to get just smoother gameplay for Marvel Rivals. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.